There are some beautiful zinnia flowers blossoming here, and the colors are a bit different. Some orange and also red, and a bit orange this one. And the size also different. This one big and small, and the layers also different. This one has some layers, and this one too, and that one too. And but this one layer, the petal. Okay, so I'm practicing taking picture with good composition of these flowers. The power of 3, frame in frame, and also fill the frame. Fill the frame means like this. Look, these two flowers, so I put here like this. So fill the frame with two different flowers. Okay, and or just one flowers like this. And the power of 3, I can take some here. I can take like this. So 3, there are 3, and also triangle. Okay, triangle is also one of technique in composition. And also in line like this, there are 3 here. It's not a triangle, but the number is 3. Or yeah, that one. Or frame in frame from here, yeah, to this. So the leaves become another frame, frame in frame. Okay, let's start now. Look, this small tomato, there are 2 here, this one and the one. Okay, so the composition I'm going to take from here. So frame in frame like this, I make this leaf become the frame. If I'm taking from here, nothing interesting, so let's from here. I find another thing over there, that one. That's the flower of tomato. Yes, that's tomato. So there are three flowers, so I'm going to take it. The power of 3 in composition, look. And next, the chili, this one. So there are 3. It's the power of 3. Okay, I'm going to take it.